Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. You have to start by open the application and we should check is you have the last software version. So just scroll down and right here we have software version, click on it and it said that I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, maybe it's a problem of audio player. So let's say you listen the music in Apple Music or Spotify. Just try to remove it from the cache and open it again. It also can fix your problem, and also I recommended to check is you have the last version of the application. So just open App Store or Google Play and just check it and update if you have not the last one. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So let's go to the settings and now remove it from the charging case and detach your ears located right here. So just put it to your ears and now press and hold it for at least 5 seconds. Here we go, now we also hear a sound and it disconnected from the phone. So now put it to the charging case and firstly we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and now the earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!